We are here to organize the 150th birth anniversary of our beloved Acharya, Om Vishnuvad Paramahansa Ashtottara Sato Srimad Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada. And by the blessings of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the pure Bhakti movement is overflowing the whole world today. I feel myself proud for being present here among you all, and am delighted to being able to organize the big occasion like this. And I must say, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, who was the founder Acharya of Gaudiya Mission, he was the pioneer of World Hare Krishna movement. 150 years ago, a child being born in Jagannath Puri Kshetra in India and took up the burden of spreading the Hare Krishna movement to the every doorsteps of the world. Yes, he is none but Bimala Prasad Das, subsequently become Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada. There is a rich history behind him. I would like to point out some of them before you. In a very short span, it is on 1918, Prabhupada started to preach the tenets of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the philosophy of pure devotional thoughts, and within 18 years, he established 64 branches throughout India and also London, Germany, and Rangoon, 3 out of India, he established. He also established 4 printing presses, Brihad Mridanga Jantralaya, Bhagavat Press, Paramarthi Press, to publish the rare text of Vaishnavism. Thousands of rare texts he published and he distributed throughout the India and abroad. He published 6 periodicals. In English, Harmonist. In Sanskrit, Sajjan Tosoni. He published Paramarthi Patrika in Odia, Bhagavat Patrika in Hindi, and Kirtan Patrika in Assamese. So, his efforts were so big. The message of Lord Chaitanya, he tried to reach it every door, every corner of the world. He installed 8 footprints, the places where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited He organized the theistic exhibition in famous cities of India like Patna, Allahabad, Mumbai, Krishnanagar. He tried to know something. He let everybody, every literate person, to know the science behind Chaitanya doctrines. He initiated and trained over 20 young souls and sent them to the every corner of the world and let them teach everywhere the doctrines of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He was the first who sent two Maharaj, sannyasi, one Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj and one Bhakti Hridaya Ban Maharaj and one brahmachari with them. He first sent them to the European country here in London, UK. They tirelessly preach Chaitanya doctrines, the doctrines of pure devotional thoughts, and they got good response. Some good soul came in touch with them and they become devotee of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. One of them I should mention today. Daisy Cecilia Bowdell, one British lady. In her young age, he dedicated everything to the lotus feet of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. She became devotee and up to her death practiced the pure devotion dedicatedly, and after all she dedicated her house, which is now 27 Canest Road, Gaudiya Mission, UK. So we are here. Due to her dedication, Gaudiya Mission is here. And we are organizing the 150th birth anniversary of that spiritual master who made the British lady a Vaishnava. In 1933, Prabhupada sent that Maharajas, and they got good response. Even the 5th George Albert, he also helped the inmates of mission, and for him they can establish Gaudiya Mission Society first in 1934 here in London. I would mention the effect of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, his divine initiative for the ultimate good of the social, of the world. He tirelessly encouraged the Maharaj, Bhakti Pradip Tirtha Maharaj, and they preach tirelessly, and the result come, and we can see the result today. We can see Krishna Bhakta everywhere in this world nowadays. We can see the devotee with Tilak Mala. They are doing japa on the street. They are dancing with the name of Krishna, holy name of Krishna. So this is his effect, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. We can see now. Why we are organizing this function, 2 days function? 31st August we have done in Harrow Leisure Center, and now we are doing here, Mayfair Hall. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, our divine master, he was the son of great Vaishnava Bhakti Vinod Thakur. We came here to glorify his deeds, his attributes, and what he promoted. He promoted the spiritual equality, the interfaith harmony, the universal love, and non-violence and peace throughout the world. Nowadays, there is little bit confusion. I must say, among us, we sometimes become confused who is Srila Prabhupada. We know that there is another Prabhupada who has preached the Western country more and more, but his spiritual master was Prabhupada, which 150th birth anniversary we are doing here. Anniversary we are performing here. Prabhupada, the original Prabhupada, the creator of Gaudiya Math, the creator of Hare Krishna movement, the creator of Sannyasi Brahmachari, and his disciple, they led the world full of Hare Krishna movement. So we must know the Prabhupada. Prabhupada, the truth is Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur Srila Prabhupada. He is the main man who started to preach Western country in 1933. And after that, we can see so many institutions, so many gurus, so many Gaudiya Math, they are traveling here and there throughout the world, and they preaches the Hare Krishna movement. So I will give thanks, everybody. I will give thanks the delegates, all delegates present here, and I will thank every worker, every volunteer, and every devotee who has helped us little or more. Hare Krishna.